Hey, everyone, and right now we're jumping on exercise number 3, and it seems like things are getting a little bit interesting compared to the way they've been. Okay, we gotta display this triangle right here. So first display 1 asterisk, 2 of them, 3 of them, and then lastly 4 asterisks. Okay, on different lines. Again, our intuition tells us to do this. Right? I'm hoping this is how most of you out there would go about solving this problem. 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. But you should know that you've got to stick around, because I promise you we will get to a point where things aren't as simple as they are right now. Okay, so what's the deal here? I wanna do things like that. Okay, so now let's see if we hit the run button, what do we get? Boom. Again, recording the exact thing that we expected. See you guys on the next solution when I actually do the same thing using a different approach.